Last one down is a rotten egg. It works. They got me. Get me out of here. Let me out of here. Get me out of here. Help. Help. Last one down is a rotten egg. It works. They got me. Get me out of here. Let me out of here. Get me out of here. Help. Help. Get me out. Help.
Confidentially, this guy's crazy.
Yeah?
Yeah, he's nuts. We know his whole family. They're all batty. Now take us, for instance. Why, we're different. We're...
Dinna mind him, folks.
That doctor sure is a card, isn't he? But I don't think he's near as funny as the Woodpecker. Do you think so, Mr. Huh? Do you, Mr. Huh? I like cartoons. Don't you like cartoons? Help! Get me out of here! Help!
Dinna mind him, folks. He's crazy. Aye, he's crazy, but I'm all right. Or am I? Yahoo! Whoopee!
That doctor sure is a card, isn't he? But I don't think he's near as funny as the Woodpecker. Do you think so, Mr. Huh? Do you, Mr. Huh? I like cartoons. Don't you like cartoons? Help! Get me out of here! Help! How do you feel, buddy?
Oh, I feel fine.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah, sure. I'm okay.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure. What do you want to know?
Is it true that speeders go like this? How do you feel, buddy?
Oh, I feel fine.
You sure you're okay?
Yeah, sure. I'm okay.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure. What do you want to know?
Is it true that speeders go like this?
Follow that motorcycle. Follow that horse. Follow that boogie. Follow that China boy.
The pip-dip with a drip-clip. The rinky-dink with a stinky kink. The pip-dip with a drip-clip. The rinky-dink with a stinky kink. A victory haircut. What can I lose with a victory?
Can you read this?
I can't see a thing.
Can you read it now?
I can't see a thing.
I'll bet you can read it now. Now, I'm gonna test your reflexes. Can you read this?
I can't see a thing.
Can you read it now?
I can't see a thing.
I'll bet you can read it now. Now, I'm gonna test your reflexes.
Es mi hombre magnifico. You are my little sheriff. You will get the bad hombre. Es mi hombre magnifico. You are my little sheriff. You will get the bad hombre. No?
Yes. What will you have, partner? How about this one, partner? What will you have, partner? How about this one, partner?
Good booze.
Tan valiente. You catch the bad man. Tan valiente. You catch the bad man.